Right. Check one. Hello there. Right. All right. So, yep. I think we are live, if I'm not wrong. Anyway, I don't know. There's some. Yep. So there's some delay on audio, which I don't know what may cause in that, but yeah, we are live. So anyway, so welcome back. So today, while I was just chilling, I know it has been a long. It's been long since we do a stream, and what really got my attention today is WAP. So WAP has been one of the coolest Linux terminal that I've ever interacted with. And last time, if I check, WAP was just a normal terminal. Back then in 2024, WAP was just a normal terminal. But with the new AI trend, I think everyone is just focusing on AI and try to interact AI on their workflow. All right, so now I'm just going to give a try to WAP terminal with the AI integrated. So I'm just going to see what I could build or what we could build on this stream. And one of the cool thing is they're using one of the top models. I don't know if it's models or model, whatever you call it. And by default, they're using Cloud 4 Sonnet, which we all know Cloud 4 Sonnet, how powerful and how uh, good when it comes to doing hard stuff in tech. Actually, it's just amazing. Yeah, so we're just going to give a try of WAP and see what we can come up with. So I don't want to waste any time. I'm just super excited to try the WAP terminal with the AI and see what we could build. All right. So first thing first, I'm just going to cd into my document very quick. And within my document, so I normally have something like workspace, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, there we go. So now within the workspace, I'm just going to uh, build something. Okay, so I don't know. So let's try. So I'm just gonna make a new directly. So mkgr. So instead of this, whatever, just gonna make a WAP builder. So we're gonna cd into WAP build. Sorry. So cd WAP build. Now, once we are in the WAP build, so we're gonna try. Let's see what can we do here. So we have terminal, we have agent mode. Okay, so it's just gonna be an agent mode, and then we have auto detection. So let's go on agent mode, and let's try by saying build a Next.js 15 app on the same folder. Right, so let's see, it's thinking and it's going to do some few stuff for us, and we're just going to run the command, and this is just a normal Next.js npx thing. Okay, so I will build a Next.js app in the current folder. Let me create a new Next.js applications. Now, once this is happening, so let me go to the same folder Okay, so it was on workspace. You Okay, so what's happening here? Oh, okay. So we need to say yes and then enter. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick with default ones. Oh yeah, so we just have to chill, wait, and it's just going to scaffold for us a new Next.js project, and then yeah, we see what to do. Okay, so like me to start development server. Nah, we don't want. Our app can notify you when it's finished. Okay, fine. Okay, so done. Now, if we do ls, we get everything there. Cool. So now I'm gonna say make a nice landing page for a cleaning company. I don't know if that's the correct spelling for company. Company and move us. Focus on Airbnb owners and okay, so that's happening. All right, so that's while that's happening, so we're gonna wait until it's finished. So meanwhile, I'm just going to spin up the application on a new terminal. So I'm just there. So I'm going to npm okay, so this okay. So this is just to make sure that we have a simple Next.js application working and running. Yep, there we go. So let's go back to app and this one here. I will create a beautiful landing page for a cleaning and moving company. Focus on Airbnb owners and hosts. Let me repress the current content. All right, so it's doing its thing. So we just have to sit and relax and wait. So once it's done, and then we're going to see the results. So it's almost right for us, almost 289 pages. Did okay. So we go. Actually, one thing I've noticed with AI thing is the whole landing page seems to look the same, like the structures, themes, all those kind of things. They just look the same. Reason why, because I recently did build same thing with Lovable, and it was giving me the same kind of the UI, which I don't understand. Or maybe are they using the same Cloud Force on it? You know, so maybe that could be the reason. Okay, so it did write for us something, and so that's our boring or cool landing page with a nice uh, service thing. Some of the words are not well seen, moving, and then you can learn more. We could get a quote, simply get a quote, send us to contact us. So if you did contact us, or those kind of stuff. All right, so let's try to make it a modern, right? I'm just going to cancel that, and yeah, it's gonna give me a heads up of what it did create for us and everything. So okay, so looks good, but the landing page does not like look modern, or something like that, more user friendly. Please make it more modern and professional. Okay, let's see what we're going to get here. I'll make the landing page more modern, user-friendly, and professional. Let me enhance the designs for better stuff. Okay, so we're just gonna give it a time. All right, so it's like it's done. So let's see the result. And okay, so we just need to copy and let's go to localhost 101.301 and see if we get the same error. Like from the picture behind it, you can tell the landing page is more. Okay, so we're getting an error on e-stuff whatever. We're just going to copy and I'm just going to close that. I know it's just going to give us a briefly history of what I see. There is a name in conflict, okay, with the home icon from the Lucid. Let me try to fix it. Okay, that's smart because we've not given, or we've not told, say, what do we say? I'm so just confused here. Okay, so we still have the same bug. So let's go back. Don't comply, cancel that. Okay. All right, so I'm just gonna copy the error and just send it to my terminal. Oh, sorry, it's Shift Control V, press enter, and it's just going to think and go through the problem. Okay, so we are at localhost 103.01, so we're just gonna give it a nice refresh. And then okay, so we're getting there's no error. Oh, okay, not bad, not bad at all. So we have nice animations for the circles. We have schedule a consultation or book service now. Okay, not bad. The landing page looks more modern. Now I'm just gonna stop it, and I'm just going to say, what else can we do? All right, so just let me know at focus and I will implement with the same modern style. All right, so let's say just give a command on I like the plan. Let's work on the plan. Now let me add pricing stuff, adding Okay. All right. So we have a moving thing. All right. So we stop this. Stop again. Looks good. But what? I was thinking of using Shad CNUI for the page. Okay, so we just have to say yes, press enter. I'm just going to go with natural with tone. All right, so let me now install the component for landing page. All right, we did add the button, cards, buds, input, text area, select, thing, label, and separator sheets. Okay, so would you like me to start development server or can just know? So we could say since we do have Okay, so the sections maintain its interactive over state and blah blah blah. Right. So let's go back here. Okay. Okay, this is just a nice feature which tells you like Okay, I love this gradient. We have something pink here and mixes well with blue actually. Okay, let's see. Let's go back to Clean Move Pro. Okay, okay, so let's give it a try. Gates. Pin my development server again. Right, so this should be 3000. Okay, yes. Going to get rid of this 0, enter. Don't have a dashboard. Of course, we're going to get 4 4 because we don't have a dashboard. And boom, wow. Now, this is what we are talking about. Looks more good, and it's more readable. So if we check on the moving side, that's what's up. And also on the get instance pricing thing, it's well improved. So we could select which type we want. So we can do 2 bedroom, and we can do the frequency of recurring. I believe this is I don't know what to say. So we could do that one, and this calculate for you how much you're supposed to pay, and then you could simply say book service. Yeah. Okay, this looks good. Okay, not bad. Yeah, so that's what you get with Warp Terminal. Notice like there's no need of credit card or those kind of stuff. Yeah. So let me know what you think about this nice landing page, and if we can even bring in more some database stuff here and to make these buttons alive. Yeah. So yep. So that's it, guys. I'm just going to